lights. So we'll be curious to see what changes here. They've been running the same reps, and they've gotten comfortable to where they typically play. So now we will see if they change their strategy. Quick departure here. They squat up, waiting for the horn. There's the cue, and they're off. Engagement already in the middle field. One elimination already. Playing low. Looks like they are planting the bomb in the off position. That's like I said, we haven't seen too many bomb plants over here. And 2 players eliminated there. Black team is holding lanes, trying to wait for them to close the gap. But I don't know that they got the bomb armed. Guys moving in, closing down the gap. Here comes a big push. Trying to scan, see if they spot anybody. Now pushing into the final bit here. Just see a player walking. And making the move around the tape line. Just waiting for somebody to show up. And they were taking fire. They do see the guy across the way. Oh, are they able to get him? Yes, they do make the elimination. Well done. They only have one more to hit by the looks of it. Still keeping an eye, doing his job, making sure they don't flank around on him. And there it is, end game. Look at this. They showed up, they delivered. And they are happy. That's a job well done from this squad. Yes! Let them hear it in the chat, guys. Job well done. Wait, here, let's listen. Yes, they're happy about that performance.
Check comes. I've been out what the world's watching. Boy, that's the games. Lock low. In the heart of the desert where the heat meets the steel, Abu-dhabi the stage where the battles feel real. From the dunes to the skyline, tactics cold and bold, writing legends in the sand, every story retold. squad in the back, yeah, we stand side by side. No turning away and nowhere to hide. Hear the snap of the BBs like thunder in the air. Moving through the smoke, bring the fight anywhere. Lights on the field, feel attention edge. Now every move, how we calculated it, targeted in his sight. From the first whistle blast to the final.
Love to see those celebrations. You know the team is happy when they're like that after the point. And it's been a long day to just even get to this point.